There's a big one. Pike, I think. Nope, big smallie. Yeah, really big smallie. It's like at least an 18, 19 incher. Look at that. On the rattle trap, Runzel rattle trap, guys. Check these out. They work amazing. They're really reasonably priced. They come with triple grip style hooks. Fish is hooked perfect. That's probably 3.5 pound smallie. Beautiful fish. He's got that fish on the red Runzel rattle trap. Here's the box. Here's the fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Super dirty water. There she goes. Alright guys, so tonight I'm just going out smallie fishing. I was earlier fly fishing for smallies and I caught some nice ones, so I'm going to take these rattle traps out. I got them from Runzel. You can check them out at www.runzel.com. I'll add the links below. I heard about this company through Instagram, and I'm actually very blown away by them. These baits, you get 5 rattle traps in a box. It's basically a kit. They all come with triple grip hooks, which is insane. You got a gold one, a green looking bluegill one. You got a chrome, I want to say it's chrome blueback, which is just an all-time amazing color. And then you have a really sick white color. Has gray on the back, gray sparkle, triple grips. This is probably the one I'm gonna, I'll probably keep using the red one at my next spot, but really good rattle traps. Super loud, good split rings, good hooks. So far, I've only lost 1 fish on them, which I did get on video. My drag was too loose. I got a funny hook set. I actually didn't know it was a fish I had on. I thought I was bumping bottom. But we're going to head out to the next spot. I already fished there today, but we're going to hit it a second time and see what happens, guys, so stay tuned.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.